Hello students, in previous video I had already discussed with you all question number 1 to 6 of chapter 15 probability. Today we will start from the 7th question of the chapter. So question is, it is given that in a group of 3 students the probability of 2 students not having same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday? So first of all, we will write let E be the event of having same birthday. Alright. So here it is given that the probability of 2 students not having the same birthday is 0.992. And we have to calculate the probability that the 2 students have the same birthday. Alright. So we all know that probability of an event, sum of probability of an event and probability of not of that event is equal to 1. So here we have to calculate probability of not of that event, which is equal to 1 minus probability of that event which is given. So it will be 1 minus 0.992, which will be equal to 0.008. So probability that the 2 students have the same birthday is 0.008. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is? First is we have to calculate the probability that the ball drawn is of red color. And second, we have to calculate the ball drawn is not red. Alright. So first of all, we will write the total number of balls. So here we have 3 red balls and 5 black balls. So total number of balls will be 3 plus 5, that is 8 balls. It means we have total events, we have total number of cases or total number of events is equal to 8. Alright, probability is what? It is the ratio of favorable cases divided by the total number of cases. Alright. Now, in the first case, the favorable are the red balls. Alright. So, how many red balls are there in the bag? There are 3. So, probability of red ball probability of getting a red ball is, favorable cases are 3 and total number of cases are 8. So, probability will be 3 upon 8. Now, we have to calculate probability of not getting a red ball. So, you can do it in 2 ways. First, not red balls are the black balls. Alright. So, you can simply take it as probability of not getting a red ball is 5 divided by total number of balls are 8. Or you can calculate it with this formula also, probability of an event plus probability of not of that event is equal to 1. So here probability of red ball, we know that it is 3 by 8 plus probability of not of red, not getting red ball, is equal to, sum of these will be 1. So probability of not getting red ball will be 1 minus 3 by 8. So once you will take LCM here, it will be 8. So here 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5 by 8. Again, which will be same. Alright, so you can calculate it like this also. I hope it is clear with you all. Now let us move to our next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9 is, a box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be? First we have to calculate the probability of red marble, then white, then not green. So again, first we will calculate the total number of marbles. That will be our total cases. So that is red plus white plus green. All right. So red are 5, white are 8, and green are 4. So total it will be 17. Now probability of red marble. We are favoring red marble now. So favorable cases are 5. All right, we have 5 red marbles. So 5 upon total number of cases are 17. So probability of red marbles will be 5 by 17. If we calculate the probability of white marble, is equal to, that will be, how many white marbles are there? 8. So it will be 8 upon 17. So we have, in the last we have, for the third one we have to calculate the probability of not green. So either you can do one thing, probability of not green, you can simply calculate it like you will add red and white wall, you will leave the green one, so it will be 13. So 13 upon 17 will be the probability of not green. All right, either you can do it another way, you will find the probability of green balls first, that will be 4 upon 17, then probability of green plus probability of not of green is equal to 1. All right, so if you have probability of green balls, you can easily calculate probability of not green balls by subtracting from 1, which will be 1 minus 4 upon 17. We will take LCM, so it will be 17 minus 4. 13 upon 17. The answer will be same in both the cases. So you can attempt it like this also. This will also be correct. Now let us move to the next question. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 50 1 rupees coin, 20 rupees 2 coin, and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will be fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be a 50 paise coin or will not be a rupees 5 coin? So first of all, we will calculate the total number of coins. Total number of coins are 100 plus 50. We all know that 100, 50 paise, 50, 1 rupees, 20, 2 rupees, and 10, 5 rupees coin. So total number of coins will be 180. All right. Now if we have to find the probability of 50 paise coin, means probability of falling out a 50 paise coin, it will be, now how many 50 paise coins are there? 100. So we are favoring 100 coins and total are 180. So we will, 0 will be cancelled out and we will reduce it to the lowest value. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. So it will be 5 by 9. Probability of falling out of 50 paise coin will be 5 by 9. Now we have to calculate probability of will not be a a rupees 5 coin. So we will not take 5 rupees coin here. 5 rupees coin are 10. Alright. So apart from 10, we will take rest of the coins that are 170. Means we are favoring 170 coins and total are 180. So again 0 will cancel out and we are left with 17 divided by 18. So probability of not a 5 rupees coin will be 17 upon 18. I hope it is clear with you all. In our next video, we'll share the rest of the questions. Thank you. That's all for today.